Hello everyone, here's one of them special finds. It's a 2000 Peterbilt 379 day cab, factory day cab. This truck has come out of California. I've bought a lot of trucks from this guy. It's got a 3406E Cat, 600 horsepower. Manufacture date on the engine is 5/10 of 99. It is a pre-ELD, pre-emissions everything motor. Truck has 667,000 actual miles on it, 18 speed, 391 gear ratio, air track suspension, brand new fifth wheel on it. Virgin tires, tall 24/5s, all aluminum wheels, stud piloted wheels. Full locking rear ends. They got full lockers on them. 225 wheelbase. Truck is in great condition. American class interior. Very little blow by on that engine at all, as you see in the next video. We've been completely through it. New U-joints, new kingpins, tie rod, some brakes, some drums, spring pins, shackle kit. This truck is ready to go, and boy, this is a pulling machine. This is its original paint on the cab. We did not paint it. We did paint the frame. The frame actually was all white. But as you can see, there's not much cosmetic to it at all coming out of California. Very good shape. You can see the frame is very clean. We put the brand new fifth wheel, the Joe's fifth wheel on it. Give me a call. It's ready to go.